video you will see how to earn money from Binance to doing mining or anything else out there that you can easily free to income you can do by using your Binance account. So first thing first, right left side upper button option, Binance logo, click on there, and here is more service. If you noticed the tools below, click on there, and after that scroll down scroll down. If you noticed here, earn. So you can earn several type like way here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 way you can, like 9 way you can make money from here. So like first, Ethereum staking. So if you have Ethereum, you can stack and you will get 2.87% APR. So redeem, if you click on there, just max your Ethereum here. If you have, next, bam, you will get 2.87%. Stack Ethereum, same. And this is the thing, stick them on daily rewards. Daily they will provide you this thing. It's easy to do. Okay, so number 2 is earn. 8.63% USDT flexible. You have a lot of coin here out there. So if I click on BTC, just if you haven't, you can deposit, PTP trading, even transfer. So now I haven't enough, just put your how much BTC have and auto subscribe, click on there and do next. This is the second method to doing earn. High yield auto invest, just experimentation these tools inside of the Binance. If you're not yet familiar with this site, familiar with these apps. So coin allocation is at coin invest amount, just set your invest amount, and daily at my local time, set your time daily while you wanna do invest. At that time it will be curated, like just click on next, your set your time when you will buy your coin, this coin, curated plan. If I select that, confirm. So this is the thing, you can just set your USDT here and set your time. At that time your USDT automatically will be converted BTC and BNB 50% to 50%. If you wanna buy 100%, set 100, and if you wanna buy this 25, set that. So this is the thing, is the auto invest. So let me back. So now here is hold and earn. If I click on there, hold and earn up to 2 million USDT in reward. Sol and BNB locked product, pixel auto plus 10. So it's ongoing. If you just subscribe there, net eligible subscription letter, but just read there everything, how many thing you need to stack, you need to hold, and when they will give you reward. So everything you can read inside of their website. That is pretty much amazing. So you can register, click on there to being successful, to be eligible in this offer. Successful registered. Now just down their requirements, instruction, that what should you do. Like here is their instructions, a share of 100 40k pixel in Airdrop rewards on up to 8.1% in APR reward with sol locked product position. So everything is provide you if you wanna read that. I haven't time to read now. I'm just showing you how do you do that. Auto invest, if you click on there, same thing I showed already you to. Simple earn, click on there and max 8.63% you will get, and after that confirm. Simple earn. Now we are in pool mining. So today's video's part is this, mining. How do you do mining? I've already Bitcoin halving countdown, 25 days left to doing mining this thing. I just already done this. Thank you for enthusiasm. Please note we already received your Bitcoin halving 2024 prediction on 2028. Yes, participant can submit only once. We appreciate your understanding and participation. So I already done that. Just you need to set up your date, that how long have you been mining this thing, and set this thing, and maybe I'm hoping you will get something from there. And if you scroll here, a lot of things out there. So just you need to, if you wanna, like, here is two type of mining: cloud mining and BTC TX, like transaction accelerator. So today I will focus on cloud mining. Click on there. It will take some time, I know. Until that, wait. So this is the thing. So if you noticed here, one click order BTC mining, clean BTC every day. Okay, it is sold out, pre-sell. So now it is not available. If I will like, I will suggest you that frequently check out this thing. Mining duration 90 days, start from $8 to estimate mining duration, and process every $8 USDT nearly. Output during mining and 148, like 0.148 BTC, 90 days. Sold out. My order history, nothing I have. If you wanna get this offer, I will suggest you check out this page frequently. Okay, so come back now. BTC transaction acceleration. If you wanna see BTC transaction, just put your transaction here. This is the thing, just this. So dual investment, BNB vault, launchpad, a lot of earn option have here. So here is another dual investment: buy low or sell high, buy or sell crypto while earning high rewards. Next, earn additional crypto rewards. Next, no trading fees, so that's great. Click on there, start, and confirm everything. Like, here is you will give some quiz. What kind of product do you investment service product with zero risk, and what is the target price and settlement date in dual investment, which I want to buy or sell to settlement, the date at which I want to buy or sell, the target price, government spot price settlement, the target price, that price with which I can definitely buy or sell to settlement date, and the date at which I can definitely buy or sell to target price. Once I submit the price ever, you can set this thing. Once I submit it, will my target price over change? The target price will change over the time. The target price will not change on subscribed. I'm hoping to sell one BTC 52,000 today. I subscribe to my Bitcoin dual investment sell high product with to sell BTC. At the settlement date, the price is 52. 1500. How much will I receive at the interest yield in BTC and BTC interest yield in BTC? I'm hoping to buy on BNB at 330 USD. I subscribe to BNB dual investment buy low product with 330 target price to buy in BNB. At the settlement rate, the BNB price is 345. How much will I receive at the end? BNB. Maybe this one. What are the risk of dual investment? The risk is that if the market price on settlement rate goes to below my target price to buy, I'm buying to relative price higher price and vice versa. There's no risk involved with dual investment there. I investment product where users have a chance to sell. So you can check out this thing. I create that. So this is the thing, and we'll check BNB fold and multiple benefits with BNB. Subscribe my rewards. If you wanna subscribe, click on there. Deposit, B2B trading or transfer, you can do whatever you want to do. Back, click on back button. And you will get launchpad here. Akram token offered on Akram. Launchpad completed. Total reward receive. So project, you can check out Binance Launchpad here. Has a lot like PNB holding consolidation period, subscription period, calculated period. They give you a lot of like free reward here from here, this earn option. So you can check out this page if you wanna make money. So this is the thing from Binance, and if you wanna get more update about any other apps, feel free to know me in the comment box, and in the comment I already put my Telegram channel. Definitely come in my Telegram. I will help you to earning money from Airdrop and any other way. So see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.